Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you bags that you can buy directly on my website, bamluxurystore.com. They are all pre-owned luxury designer bags that comes from clients and sometimes from Japan. Because if you don't know yet, Japan is one of the most craziest places for pre-owned luxury designer bags. They have amazing things, and if you had the chance to go there, well, sometimes when you go there, if you're not a professional, prices are very expensive, and now prices are going up a lot, but still, this is crazy. And we are professionals. I have my YouTube channel here where I show you my passion. Every Wednesday, I have this type of video where I show you the bags that I just received that are like on the website that you can purchase. And on Sunday's video, I'm doing vlogs, how to authenticate a bag, lots of different things. So the first bag that I want to show you is this beautiful Gucci Raki. This is a vintage one. Usually the almost brand new ones that we have, we resell them for between 1,600 and 1,900. And this one, this is a vintage. I believe on the website it will be between 500 and 700 euro. You will have to check on the website. I don't have the price on me. I did remove the sticker, I think, my price tag. Anyway, I'm just going to show you the condition of the bag. So it's in good condition. We have some little trace of wear on the fabric. We removed most of the stain that the bag had with a product called Sapphire Shampoo and Sapphire Textile Cleaner. These are products that we have on the website. I don't know if we have it on the website yet, but don't hesitate to contact me. I have the products to clean textile, either it's on outside or inside, for example, inside a Speedy or whatever. We have amazing products that clean perfectly the bag. Corners and the leather parts are in so great condition. And this is a bag that you carry on the shoulder. And this is a bag that is available now on the website. I'm going to show you what we have next. We have also this beautiful Speedy size 30. The 30 size in an epi leather is a little bit larger than a monogram one. The most beautiful things on the Speedy epi leather is that it has a little pocket on the side. This is gorgeous. The epi leather are a very good leather, very resistant, and that lasts in time. You have a leather pull tag just here. Excellent condition for this bag. I'm gonna just give you the price, 575 euro for an excellent price. Inside is completely beautiful. You have the little pocket, and the year of the bag is 1994. So this is a bag that is 31 years old now, and in such a good conditions. If you want it, go for it. The price is very low. Ta-da! Another bag. So this is a beautiful bag. So I didn't mention that we ship worldwide. We ship with DHL Express, and you don't have to pay anything more than what you pay on the website. It means that you don't have to pay customs, you don't have to pay tax or whatever. We ship from Europe to you. So either if you're based in Canada, in the US, in Dubai, or in the UK or whatever, in Asia or any other places, you don't have to pay customs. We do cover everything. So this is a good thing if you see anything that you like, and we do also personal shopping. So if you're looking for something that we don't have on the website or that is already sold out, maybe we can find the bag or the accessories for you. We are specialized on bags and small leather goods, but sometimes we do have jewelry as well and watches. Donc, this one is in good condition. This is not the most perfect one. It's a pre-loved. Let me just check the year of this bag, but I believe it's in 1998. So it's also like a beautiful baby that is like 27 years old. The corners are a little bit rubbed. This is not a perfect one. I love the fact that the base is not with a very strong patina, but still with some trace of love. The patina here is gorgeous, some little trace here, but otherwise beautiful. Let me show you the inside of the bag that is in perfect condition. So it was well cared, no stain, but I would still advise you in this type of bags to add a bag organizer. We do have some on the website, but you do have some bag organizer on lots of different websites. So go have a look and check. But this is a beautiful way to care about your bags, because you won't stain the bag, you will stain only the bag organizer, and plus it will keep the shape of the bag, and you will have more little pockets to store your bags and store your own personal things in the bag. So it's a good thing. Price is 590 euro. We have very small price today. So this is a good way. If you are based in the US, you can on the website buy directly in USD. This is a good thing to avoid the fees if you buy in euro by your bank. So it's like you were buying in the US directly, kind of, but you're supporting a small business in Europe and you buy items that comes mostly from Paris. So it's also a good way to shop. I forgot to mention that everything is authenticated for myself. I have 10 more years of expertise, and also everything is going through a certification with Entreprise certificate supported by LVMH Group, which is kind of amazing. Everything has an Entreprise certificate, but we offer the certificate only for purchase above 1,500 euro. If it's below, you can decide to add it in your cart, contacting us, or not, but letting you know that we do have all Entreprise certificates for all items. They go through double authentication. We want to sleep on, both ears. I don't know how to say it in English, but it's a French expression, I guess. Another bag that is a Celine with the dust bag. Beautiful. I love it. Well, let me close it properly because it was not closed. Yes. So this is a bag that is the old Triomphe. This is a calèche version. This is a vintage, beautiful version. The leather is beautiful. Some little trace of wear, but it's completely natural on a classic box like this leather. The adjustable strap. It's not a crossbody bag, so you won't be able to wear it as a crossbody. It's only like a shoulder bag, because back then bags were not meant to be worn on crossbody vibe. It's very recent to wear your bags in crossbody. But yeah, let me show you the inside. So the hardware is in very good condition. I love the little calèche here. It's such a vibe. And apparently, for the little backstory, it was Céline Vapiani that created the brand. And apparently, she created this logo because this is her husband with the horses. So it's definitely her husband. And they decided afterwards to change the logo with the Céline Triomphe, inspired by the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. This is a little story of Céline about the logos. But I love the fact that it's her husband here on the logo, You see him everywhere. Anyway, inside is in okay condition. It's damaged. I'm going to show you. The sides of the bag here are very dry and this is damaged. Not going to lie. Also here on the back pockets, you can redo the bag on the inside. I won't do it anyway for now. It is possible, but for now it's not super important. I would keep the bag this way. 550 euro for this bag. I have exactly the same, and inside also it starts to damage a little bit. I don't mind because I prefer to have a better outside than the inside. And if you care about the bag, it's not gonna damage more, and you can still redo the bag in any other case. So, it's something that you can fix. And it's still lower than, because for example, we have a bag Celine very recent. Let me show you. It is here. So we released it last week on the website. So this is a version that is very, very recent. But for example, this price here is 550 euro. Here it's 3,050 euro. So you have 2,500 euro difference. This is huge. So in case the bag is to damage one day, probably in 5 to 10 years, you can fix it, and it's still going to be super cheap compared to the recent ones. And prices are going up all the time every year, so you're not going to lose money anyway. Especially on pre-loved market, prices of Celine vintage have increased so much in the last 2 years. So this is not a bad investment in any case. Voilà for this video of the day. I hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being a part of this huge adventure. If you do want me to speak about certain subjects, certain actuality things, don't forget to subscribe and to comment this video. Don't hesitate to talk to me in the comments. I will reply for sure with pleasure. I have lots of things coming in the next few months, and we do have also the release of the podcast with Vincent, where we're going to talk about business, money, European business, how it works. It's going to be mostly in French, but I would try to make one podcast per month in English with Vincent. We'll try what we do. And if it's okay or not, let's see, because we have a strong accent anyway. But thank you so much again, and I will see you soon. Bye.